Next question is, what is the most common cause of thrombocytopenia in pregnancy? So this is the question. So the answer is gestational thrombocytopenia. Gestational thrombocytopenia is the most common cause of thrombocytopenia, low platelet count during pregnancy. Gestational thrombocytopenia occurs about 5 to 7% of pregnancies and is benign condition characterized by a mild decrease in the platelet count without significant associated symptoms or complication. Increased plasma volume often leads to dilutional thrombocytopenia. It typically develops in the later stage of pregnancy, usually after 20 weeks of gestation, and resolves postpartum. The diagnosis of gestational thrombocytopenia is made when no other underlying cause of thrombocytopenia are identified and platelet count is not severely low. It is essential to differentiate from more serious conditions like preeclampsia, Health syndrome, or immune thrombocytic purpura, which may require more intensive management. So the answer is gestational thrombocytopenia.